Hear them? It's 4 rally cars made by Lancia and owned by the Jacksonville-based Campion collection. And they're taking the ferry to the Amelia Island Concours. Standing still on the deck, the cars have obviously gathered quite a crowd of onlookers, eager to see what they look like. Soon we'll hear what they sound like. There they are, some of the very quick rally cars after a short trip across the St. Johns River on the Jean Ribaud. Lancia Stratos is first. And here comes the little Fulvia. John, most folks bring their classic cars to the Concours on a truck or trailer. You're driving yours. Why?
Because they're rally cars, they worked for a living, they're not trailer queens, although we do have one on a trailer. We had a little of an issue with a turbo. But, you know, you got to celebrate the event, and I think rally cars need to be driven. And when Bill asked me to bring the 4 cars to the Concours d'Elegance, I was absolutely thrilled and suggested we'd put a convoy together, we'd film it, and we'd drive them up there.
And of course, you're wearing the proper attire, Martini Racing, which is obviously the livery on some of the cars.
Thank you.
So, it obviously didn't take too long for you to say yes when you heard there was a rally class.
But you can't say no to Bill. Bill Warner, you can't say no.
All right.
It's a good charity, it's a good event, and we're here to have fun.
And they had fun in their life, and more fun to come. These cars once battled through rallies around the world. Driver and navigator trying to get through some real nasty roads. Now they gotta handle Heckscher Drive. And like many Italian cars I know, one needs a ride to Amelia. The cars get a police escort from Jacksonville as well as Nassau County. The little Fulvia has a V4 engine. No, the cop's not looking for a ticket. For Jacksonville.com, on the tail of some rallying Lancias, I'm Dan Scanlan.